Welcome to Top 5. In this video I am going to show you the top 5 SSD for laptop and desktop. Solid state drive, SSD, is better than hard disk drive, HDD, because loads faster. It is lighter. Uses less energy. Keeps machines cool. Before starting this video, please subscribe, comment, like and share it. All products are available in Amazon, and links are given in the descriptions below. Let's get started. Number 5. Corsair Force Series MP400, Data Speed, Experience lighting fast data, speeds up to 4,950 megabytes per second reading, and 4,250 megabytes per second writing speeds. Interface: PCIe, NVMe. A convenient Gen 4 CX4, NVMe interface. Ensures wide-ranging compatibility and high bandwidth performance. Stores more data. High-density 3D QLC NAND offers even better value than previous generation TLC NAND. It stores more data in the same amount of physical space. Endurance: the MP600 reliably stores your data through years of use with endurance, up to 3,600 terabytes written. Also comes with a heatsink to increase your laptop's performance. Form factor: M.2 2280. Industry standard form factor, fits directly into your motherboard with no need for cables. SSD Toolbox: Corsair SSD Toolbox software enables advanced drive controls from your desktop, such as secure, erase and firmware updates. Warranty: a comprehensive 5-year warranty, ensures peace of mind with industry-leading customer support. Cons: bit heavier in weight. Slow right after the cache fills. Expensive. Number 4. SK Hynix Gold P31 SSD. It is an internal SSD designed for the gamers, video editors, and content creators. It is durable and affordable. South Korea-based SK Hynix, the 38-year-old company, is the world's second-largest maker of memory chips, after Samsung. Its DRAM and flash memory can be found in a wide range of pre-built PCs, as well as in numerous SSDs. It only lately began selling its own brand of solid-state drives. SSD features: data speed, read speed 3,500 megabytes per second, and write speed 3,200 megabytes per second. Interface: PCIe 3.0x4, NVMe 1.3. Easy data migration. World first 128-layer 4D NAND. Endurance: 760T.B.W. Form factor: M.2 2280. Industry standard form factor, fits directly into your motherboard with no need for cables. Warranty: 5 years warranty. Cons: lacks SSD toolbox and poor encryption. Number 3. Crucial X6, 500 GB portable SSD. Data speed: write 540 megabytes per second, read 800 megabytes per second. Interface: external SSD, USB-C 3.1. Very portable and ideal for travels, and compatible with all the operating systems: Android, iOS, Mac and Windows. Whether you're downloading videos for offline travel, organizing family photos, collaborating with classmates, or heading off on a great adventure, the Crucial X6 is affordable and ready to go wherever you do. Say goodbye to slow, fragile hard drives and lengthy load times forever. Take your digital life with you. Massive photo libraries, files, games, and movie collections can now all fit in your pocket. At less than 40 grams, the Crucial X6 weighs less than your car keys. The X6 Portable SSD is the storage device that works with most devices including PC, Mac, PS4, TM, Xbox One, Android devices, iOS. It is to withstand a 6.5-foot drop, and is shock, vibration, and extreme temperature resistant, safeguarding your important files wherever you go. Number 2. Samsung 970 EVO Plus. Data speed: comes with a write speed of up to 3,300 megabytes per second and a read speed of 3,500 megabytes per second, plus turbo write boost speed and performance. Interface: it offers an impressive interface of PCIe Gen 3, NVMe 1.3, and VNAND for more bandwidth and performance. Endurance: with 600T.B.W. and nickel coating to keep the machine cool, you are assured your drive will last you for many years to come. SSD Toolbox: the EVO offers a great management software for drive monitoring and control. Warranty: with 5 years of warranty you don't have anything to worry about. Cons: limited capacity to only up to 1 terabyte storage space. And finally, at number 1 is SanDisk 1TB Extreme Portable SSD. It is specifically designed for people on the go, who need something light, portable, and durable. Data speed, offers data transfer speed of up to 550 megabytes per second interface. It is an external SSD with USB-C 3.1, and compatible with both Windows and MacBooks computers. It is very potable, built rugged to withstand drops, shocks, water and temperature interferences. Warranty, 3 years. It has some few cons which includes. It is expensive. Limited warranty. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for another top 5 video.